Traveling is an exciting adventure, but it often comes with minor inconveniences like lost luggage, expensive airport food, and uncomfortable flights. With these 10 genius travel hacks, you'll save time, money, and hassle while making your trip stress-free. Number 1. Roll your clothes instead of folding. One of the most effective packing tricks is to roll your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling clothes saves a significant amount of space in your suitcase and helps prevent wrinkles, making it a perfect hack for travelers who want to pack light and efficiently. Number 1. Roll your clothes instead of folding. One of the most effective packing tricks is to roll your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling clothes saves a significant amount of space in your suitcase and helps prevent wrinkles, making it a perfect hack for travelers who want to pack light and efficiently. In addition to rolling, you can use packing cubes to further organize your luggage. Packing cubes allow you to separate different clothing items, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. If you're carrying delicate fabrics, rolling helps keep them smooth and reduces the chances of creases. Number 2. Store small items in a pill organizer. Small essentials like jewelry, earrings, rings, vitamins, or even tiny souvenirs can be hard to keep track of while traveling. Using a pill organizer is a brilliant way to keep these items neatly stored and accessible. Each compartment can be designated for different items, making it easy to locate what you need without digging through your bag. This hack is especially useful for long-term travelers who need to keep track of multiple small accessories. If you don't have a pill organizer, a resealable plastic bag or mint tin can also work as a compact storage solution. Number 3. Scan and email important documents. Losing your passport, visa, or travel insurance can turn your dream vacation into a stressful situation. To avoid this, scan or take photos of your important documents and email them to yourself, or store them in a secure cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. This ensures that you have digital backups in case your original documents are lost or stolen. Additionally, it's a good idea to print out a copy and keep it in a separate place from your actual documents. Having multiple backups makes it easier to replace lost items and proves your identity in case of emergencies. Number 4. Download Google Maps for offline use. If you're traveling to a place with limited internet access, downloading Google Maps for offline use is a game changer. This allows you to navigate without needing a Wi-Fi connection or mobile data, ensuring you won't get lost in unfamiliar areas. Number 4. Download Google Maps for offline use. If you're traveling to a place with limited internet access, downloading Google Maps for offline use is a game changer. This allows you to navigate without needing a Wi-Fi connection or mobile data, ensuring you won't get lost in unfamiliar areas. To do this, open Google Maps, search for your destination, tap on Download Offline Map, and access it anytime without needing the internet. This hack is especially useful when exploring remote areas, navigating foreign cities, or hiking in regions with poor connectivity. Additionally, you can save locations like your hotel restaurants and attractions to make your itinerary easily accessible. Number 5. Use a shower cap to cover your shoes. Shoes can pick up dirt and dust during travel, and placing them in your suitcase can cause your clothes to get dirty. To prevent this, wrap your shoes in a disposable shower cap before packing them. The shower cap acts as a protective barrier, keeping your clean clothes free from dirt and bacteria. This trick is especially helpful when packing multiple pairs of shoes in the same suitcase. If you don't have a shower cap, a plastic grocery bag or a drawstring shoe bag works just as well. Number 6. Wear your heaviest clothes on the plane. One of the best ways to maximize luggage space and avoid overweight baggage fees is to wear your heaviest clothing items during your flight. Instead of stuffing your bulky winter coat, boots, or sweaters into your suitcase, wear them on the plane. This saves space in your luggage while also keeping you warm during the flight, which can often be chilly. Instead of stuffing your bulky winter coat boots or sweaters into your suitcase, wear them on the plane. This saves space in your luggage while also keeping you warm during the flight, which can often be chilly. If you get too warm, you can always remove layers and store them in the overhead bin. This hack is particularly useful for budget travelers flying with low-cost airlines that have strict baggage policies. Number 7. Use a tic-tac box to store bobby pins. If you've ever tried to keep track of bobby pins, you know how easily they can disappear into the depths of your bag. A simple and effective solution is to store them in an empty tic-tac box. The small container keeps bobby pins neatly organized and easy to find. This hack also works for safety pins, paper clips, and even small screws for your glasses. Keeping small items in a designated container prevents them from getting lost and helps keep your travel bag tidy. Number 8. Charge your phone faster in airplane mode. When you need a quick battery boost before heading out for the day, switching your phone to airplane mode while charging can help it charge up to twice as fast. Airplane mode disables background apps, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data, reducing power consumption and allowing your phone to charge more efficiently. This hack is especially useful when you're short on time and need to maximize your battery life while traveling. Additionally, carrying a portable power bank ensures you never run out of battery while on the go. Number 9. Bring an empty water bottle to the airport. Airport security regulations prohibit full water bottles, but you can still bring an empty bottle and fill it after passing through security. This simple trick helps you stay hydrated without spending a fortune on overpriced airport water bottles. Number 9. Bring an empty water bottle to the airport. Airport security regulations prohibit full water bottles, but you can still bring an empty bottle and fill it after passing through security. This simple trick helps you stay hydrated without spending a fortune on overpriced airport water bottles. Many airports have water fountains or refill stations, making it easy to fill up your bottle before boarding your flight. Staying hydrated is crucial while traveling, especially during long flights where the air is dry and can cause dehydration. Opting for a reusable bottle also reduces plastic waste, making it an eco-friendly choice. Number 10. Mark your luggage as fragile. Even if your suitcase doesn't contain fragile items, marking it as fragile can ensure it gets handled with extra care by airline staff. Bags labeled as fragile are often placed on top of the luggage pile, which means they're more likely to be among the first bags to be unloaded at baggage claim. This small trick can save you time waiting at the baggage carousel while also reducing the risk of rough handling and potential damage to your belongings. If you don't have a fragile sticker, you can ask for one at the check-in counter. These 10 genius travel hacks will make your trips more organized, efficient, and stress-free. Whether you're a frequent traveler or heading on your first big trip, these tips will save you time, money, and unnecessary hassle. By implementing these simple but effective travel tricks, you'll be able to focus on enjoying your journey rather than dealing with travel inconveniences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel hacks. Happy travels!